Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about types of pollination. But before that, I think you know about angiospermic plants. Angiospermic plants are those which are flower and seed bearing plants. So flower is the main reproductive organ of angiospermic plants, and you know about the structure of flower, parts of flower. We know that typical flower is having different parts like pedicel, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Out of all these four floral whorls, androecium and gynoecium, these are essential floral whorls, or they are necessary floral whorls. Why they are called as necessary floral whorls? Because they help in the process of sexual reproduction. So in case of angiospermic plants, when the process of reproduction takes place, the type of reproduction is a sexual type of reproduction. And in this sexual type of reproduction, the first effect that is necessary to occur is called as pollination, because fertilization is the fusion of male and female gametes. So to bring these male and female gametes together, one process is very important. It is the prerequisite for fertilization process, and that is called as pollination. And so dear students, today we are going to discuss about pollination in flowering plants. So the name of today's topic is pollination. It is pollination. So what is mean by pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of flower. So what is mean by anther? What is mean by stigma? For that we should know about flower. So this is the image of flower. If we know about androecium and gynoecium, androecium is the male reproductive organ of the flower and gynoecium is the female reproductive organ of the flower. In case of androecium, the stamens are the units, and in case of gynoecium, carpel is the unit, which is also called as pistil. So in anther of this stamen, pollen grains or microspores are produced. And the carpel, which is the unit of gynoecium, the receptive part is a stigma, and on stigma there is deposition of pollen grains during the process of pollination. So what is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. So this is transfer of what? Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called as pollination.